Earlier this year, we visited Garza Blanca, an all-inclusive resort in Cancun, Mexico. We were super excited to get to try all the different restaurants located at this all-inclusive resort, and DAO was no exception to the rule. From the breathtaking ocean views in the front to the mountain views in the back, and later on you'll see just a beautiful sunset that we were able to see because of the glass walls that this restaurant is made up of. It is just an absolutely beautiful restaurant and just a wonderful location. So the first thing I would like to tell you about the restaurants at this all-inclusive resort is you really want to make sure that you have your reservations made well ahead of time, because the reservations do tend to fill up quickly, and it's likely that they will not seat you if you do not have a reservation. There was a gentleman that came in not long before us, and he was quite upset because they just would not seat him because he did not have a reservation. Now, that's one thing to have customer service, client service, we understand this, but they're looking out for their other clients who have actually taken the time to make those reservations. So that's actually a good thing that they do that. So just make sure that you actually get your reservations in ahead of time if you want to get into the restaurants that you want to and not have to worry about missing out on those places to eat. Now, I will say another thing that we absolutely loved about this restaurant is that our server knew his stuff. He was very professional. He knew about everything on the menu. He made suggestions, and everything that he suggested that we tried, we loved. There wasn't a thing on this menu that we didn't really like. So we tried these crispy roll things, as you see here, that were really good. The pork belly, we tried the crab rangoons. My husband ended up having General Tso's chicken. I had the curry prawns, and our son had the Mongolian beef. Everything was perfect. It was definitely higher end. This is not your quick service, fast food meals. That's for sure. Everything was a great quality, had a lot of flavor, and we were just extremely happy with everything that we tried. I have to say, there's only one other restaurant on this property that really competes for first spot. So whether that is DAO or it is Blanca Blue, that's a really tough call for me because both restaurants were just amazing and offered so much that was just amazingly delicious, had a good wide variety of menu, and everything was just wonderful. If you liked our restaurant review, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more. If you'd like to know more about us and how to plan your next vacation through us, you can get started by visiting us on the web at dreamversetravel.com, and there you can also learn about each of our travel advisors. If you'd like to schedule a one-on-one time with me to discuss your next all-inclusive cruise or theme park vacation, I'll drop a link in the comments below and we can get started planning your next vacation.